I don't know if you notice all the water all over the floor. But he was trying to take a nice cooling bath in this water bowl. Apparently it's empty. He has successfully splashed it all over himself, all over the floor. Alex, you thirsty? I thought so. Alex, you want to take a bath? Do you want a bath? No? Alex, are you thirsty? Alex, watch me. Are you thirsty? Alex, watch me. Good boy. Okay, this is where there's so much water all over the floor. Yeah, Alex, water. Watch me. And this might go on until I fill it back up.